Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, we're going to be trying some flat twists. But first things first, if you are new here,
first off, welcome.
All my old time subbies, the congregation, the Rain Gang, Happy Curl Gang, welcome back, sis, for another video. So everyone knows of the wonderful, beautiful NAPTURAL85, aka Whitney. She has like the best tutorials on the YouTube, okay? And when it comes to flat twist, I've just never really mastered it.
For real.
Way back in the day when I cut my hair to like maybe like right to my ears, I was able to do flat twists just fine. Maybe it was the cut, maybe, I don't know. I just feel like our hair changes over time. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna try it. I'm gonna try her method. I'm gonna try to follow along. So either I put Whitney's video over to the side, or you know, I don't know what I'm gonna do just yet, but we're gonna follow it and pray. Amen. I blew out my hair just to make it easier. My hair takes forever to dry, so I believe she did hers on stretched hair as well. So I also saw Juliana do this, aka Jujubee, but her hair flawless too. So you know, it's just not really not fair, you know what I'm saying? But whatever. So I'm gonna be doing a voiceover. It just makes it easier. But I will be using Whitney's product, her cream, as well as the Wet Line Extreme Gel. You'll see everything in the next clips. So let's get to it. So y'all, we're gonna try to follow this as much as possible. I will tweak some things, as you should, because everyone's hair is different. So here we go.
Grab small sections underneath and add that to the twist. Then do a flat twist. Dribble up a little bit. I'm gonna add just a tiny bit more. I feel like my ends could use. Reduce the frizz. So I'm just gonna start off taking a small section. We're gonna start it like a normal 2-strand twist. Twisting the hair, and here is what makes it a flat twist. We're going to grab small sections underneath and add that to the twist. And I've been doing flat twists for years. I rotate the twist in my hand, but I'm also twirling the entire twist so that it tightens up right here at the root, okay? The tighter your twist is, the more definition you're gonna get. The looser your twist is, the less definition you're gonna get. If you make it really tight, it's gonna dry in that tightened coil state. So we wanna make that tight. Don't break your hair off, okay? Make it reasonably tight. So once I'm done twisting and tightening that twist, I wrap my hair in a Bantu knot, and it's not gonna stay like that forever. This is just to hold it in that tightened twist while I do the rest of my hair. If I let that twist go, it's just gonna open up on me, and I'm going to get still beautiful definition, but it's not going to be tightly coiled definition.
Okay, y'all, so I am taking her styling elongating cream, but I am not just using that by itself. I know my hair, and I feel like you have to do what works for you and your hair. Everyone's hair is different. So I am taking the Wet Line Extreme Gel. It just always helps with setting my hair. Like back in the day, I used to do flat twists, twist outs, okay, twist and curls, braid outs, all that good stuff, okay. So this, you know, this is a technique that I used to do a lot, but not in the same way that Whitney's doing hers. I don't think I had to do this step, but I was like, you know, we're gonna take one for the team. I really think I should have used perm rods on the ends, but y'all don't skip or whatever, you know what I'm saying? Like, the video is short. You don't want to miss no good stuff, you know what I mean? So I am just continuing the process all around Z hair, applying the cream first, and then the gel about equal parts, and then I'm using my dimming brush to smooth. Now Whitney did kind of stop where hers got frizzy, but my hair just it's not getting frizzy at the end, because my hair is blown out. Had it been more curlier, it probably would have, but with it being stretched and I'm working pretty fast, it's not getting enough time to really kind of give me issues. So the dimming brush worked just fine with smoothing certain areas for my hair. So like I said, you gotta do what works for you, boo-boo. And yeah, so don't skip, y'all, okay? Just watch the whole Whew, watch the whole video, sis. Okay. So I just want to do a quick little voiceover just to reiterate that, you know, I am tweaking what Whitney is doing because we have completely different textures and different densities, and that matters in how we do our technique. All right. Okay. Okay. All right. So we have flat twisted everything. And we're gonna go ahead and do what she said do as far as wrapping it, even though I don't feel like I need to wrap my hair because my texture is a little bit different. It's not as coily as Whitney's, but you know, we just gonna take one for the team. I want to do rods on the end, but we just gonna see what we just gonna see.
Around the head and bobby pin it to another twist. At the top of the head, you don't want to bobby pin it to the end because we're gonna run all the twists. So just grab another twist.
My ends are gonna be strange. Okay, they're already coming.
You don't want this to be super tight, just bring it around so it's nice and taut. And I like to put the end of the twist on the hair. Don't put it right at the roots. Don't scrape it against your skin because that's gonna be really uncomfortable. It's gonna hurt.
So at this point, I'm like, you know what? I'm just gonna keep following, but in my mind, y'all, in my mind, I'm like, girl, you should have used some rods on them ends. Anyway, keep watching.
Still, and we're going to stretch it around the head and bobby pin it to another twist at the top of the head. You don't want to bobby pin it to the end because we're going to unravel all the twists. So just grab another twist, unravel the bantu knot, bring it around, and you don't want this to be super tight, just bring it around so it's nice and taut. And I like to put the end of the twist on the hair. Don't put it right at the roots. Don't scrape it against your skin because that's going to be really uncomfortable and it's going to hurt. Times scarf, whichever you like.
Look, I know what I like, and I know you know what I like because you were trained to know what I like, but I would like to know what you like.
And I like a scarf rather than a bonnet because I can pull it nice and tight. This is gonna fly in all my hair and make it nice and smooth. The satin helps to silk in the hair and reinforce the moisture. A bonnet is nice too, but you don't get that really like flattened effect. So that's it. This is how I'm gonna go to sleep. Except I'm not gonna go to sleep because it is 11 o'clock and I gotta go out. So I'm probably gonna put on my headscarf. I will come back tomorrow to show you guys how it looks. Bye, I'm excited. I'm excited, can you tell? This is my excited dip. Hey! Okay, sorry. All right, bye.
DJ flame it up. Bruh. DJ flame it up.
And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. Something could be going on.
DJ flame it up.
I could be wrong.
DJ flame it up.
But I feel like something could be going on.
DJ flame it up.
I could be wrong. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on.
DJ flame it up.
That it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me.
Now dad got bruh.
No other for me.
Now dad got to spank that ass. DJ flame it up.
If I am right, I'll let him get on my love until you want me. If I am right, and let you know everything will be alright.
DJ flame it up.
To get to know it, I would like to get to know it. To get to know it, I would like
DJ flame it up.
to get to know it. I would like to get to know it. To get to know it.
Bruh.
On blown out hair, you just have to make sure that twist stays in by tightening it. So if you want more definition to your twist outs, just gotta make sure that you twist your hair and hold that twist in, hold that nice and tight, not painfully tight, but just nice and tight so that as your hair dries with the product in, it can set that twist pattern. I like when my gray does this little swoop thing. It's like a wave.